Okay, number 9, we're graphing. This is in standard form, so we're going to compare it to y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So in this problem, my a value is equal to -3, and my b value is equal to 6. When my graphs are in this form, we're going to use this formula for my vertex, -b over 2a. That comes from the middle value, or the average of the two x-intercepts, which you can find by using the whole quadratic formula. So it does come from the quadratic formula. You see it in the quadratic formula. So this formula gives me the middle number on the graph, so the x-coordinate on my vertex. In this case, I'm going to have -6 over -6. I really encourage you, don't type in 2 times -3 in your calculator. I'm going to write that down now. If you don't have a calculator that allows you to type the same way you write, where it looks like a fraction, it's usually not going to do it right. It's going to do -6 divided by 2, and then it's going to multiply everything by 3 instead of what you want it to do. So that's where the -6 over -6 comes from, but I really don't need a calculator for that anyway. That just gives me 1. So opposite of b over 2 times a, the 2 times a is 2 times -3, so I have a 1. The y value is equal to -3 times 1 squared plus 6 times 1. And so that's going to give me -3 plus 6, which is 3. So my vertex is at 1, 3. I'm going to use my 1 over 1, 3 over 1, 5 over 1 pattern. I show where that comes from in other videos. You can watch those if you need to. There's a -3 in front. So we're going to take all those and multiply them by -3. So instead of over 1, I'm going to go down 3, down 9, down 15, though I won't have space to do all that. But from my vertex, over 1, down 3. From that point, over 1, down 9. Definitely don't have space to go down 15. So there's your parabola. Parabola is what we call the graph of a quadratic equation. That's number 9.